Hello guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Greetings from me here. Today's video, I would like to share this menu, bobon salad. Bobon salad comes from the country of Vietnam. This is a Vietnamese salad. It calls bobon salad. Well, the ingredients was noodles and vegetables like carrots, cucumber, mushroom, and green onion, lettuce, and of course, meat, beef saute. Very simple prepared, but yummy and healthy. Well, same as usual, I rely this with my voiceover. Iwas tayo sa mga sounds, mga hindi gusto ni Lolo. So, ayan po, ay patuloy lang po tayo na gumagawa ng ganito. Nag-over voice tayo kasi mga music kasi hindi rin tayo sure na hindi paluin ni Lolo. So, sa mga nangyayari sa akin guys, umiiwas na rin ako na maglagay ng mga music kasi nasasayang lang. So, sana po huwag kayong magsawa sa aking boses sa magitan po nitong aking pagbo-voice over sa aking mga video. So, ayan po ang aming tanghalian ay bobon salad. Well, actually guys, masarap siya. At naging favorito ko na din ang bobon salad. Napaka-healthy niya guys at napakasarap. Ang asawa ko kasi ay mahilig sa salad. At ito sa kanyang favorito na salad, ang bobon salad. So, I hope you enjoy watching this video and don't forget to share and follow for more. Well, before I end, I would like to share a message from the Bible, from the book of Philippians, chapter 4, verse 8. It says, "Finally, brethren, whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are of good report, and there be any virtue, and if there be any praise, think of these things." We need to keep our minds focused on the things of God. Anything that encourages us to be loving, peaceful, just, patient, and pure is of God when we focus on these things instead of the discouraging messages the world focuses. We will produce them in our actions during our daily lives. Thank you for watching guys. Stay in prayer for our brethren. Stay safe wherever we are and stay happy and healthy. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay safe. God bless everyone.